Ay, bilis naman sa
Of course, susunod makakasama natin ang ating CFO and COO, Mr. Jojo O'Connor. Hello, sir! Yes, magandang hapon, sir. Samahan niyo po muna ako dito. And last but definitely not the least, kasama natin the President and the CEO, Direct Mike Tuviera. Sure ako, Direk. Gusto ko lang sanang idagdag, diba? The Metro Manila Film Fest, the Best Director. Oh, for the Kingdom, ayan. Direk, Sir Joe, and Ate Jackie, tatawagin na po natin para official nating makasama sa ating All Access to Artist family, the beautiful, talented Miles Ocampo! Hi, ma! Hindi dyan, Miles. Dito ang event natin. Very bulaga, Ayan, okay, Miles, Direct Mike, Sir Zo, and Ate Jackie. I will give you the floor para mag-hand over ng ating welcoming flowers to our All Access to Artist family, Miles Ocampo, one of the newest part of the roster of talents ng AAA. Ayan. Thank you so much. Diba? Grabe naman talaga yun. And I will invite you guys to please proceed to your respective seats. Pwede tayong maupo. At syempre, sisimulan po natin ang hapong ito ng ating opening prayer. Tawagin natin one of our artists or artist handler. Please welcome Jobs Grande.
Wala pong iba.
Friends from the press, All Access to Artist family na nasa likod. Hi! Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Magandang hapon, Miles. Thank you for your time. Thank you for being here. Alam ko it's an effort to be here, pero ngayon po gusto ko sabihin sa inyo na nasa QC po tayo. At alam kong lahat tayo ay nagpapasalamat dahil hindi malayo yung pinuntahan ng mga kaibigan nating press ngayon. So, syempre, nilapit natin. And ngayong araw na to is very special for us. We would like to welcome ang magiging parte ng pamilya ng AAA. Miles, sila ang pamilya natin ng AAA. I would like to welcome you to the family.
Maraming salamat, Ms. Jackie Cara. Nakukita niyo naman, di ba? Lahat ng mga invited na mga friends from the press dito, sa mga past press con natin, sa mga bagong artista na ipinapakilala natin, talaga namang ibang magmahal ang mga taga-AAA, di ba? Kaya Ms. Jackie, maraming salamat. Next, of course, pakinggan naman natin ang ating Chief Operating Officer and Chief Financial Officer, Sir Jojo O'Connor.
Hello. Magandang hapon sa... Nasabi na ni Jackie lahat. So, maraming salamat sa mga kaibigan natin sa press na dumalo kayo sa aming event for Miles Ocampo, of course, in the middle of this heat ngayong summer. No? So, maraming salamat at pagsama niyo sa amin dito sa celebration na today. At yun nga, lagi natin sinasabi, welcome to the family, Miles. Pero when I thought about it, parang matagal naman na natin siya kasama sa pamilya, di ba? Mula sa Bulaga Mogination, kasama na natin siya, tsaka sa Pajak Princess. So, parang welcome again to the family. But you've been always been a part of our family for years already. So, salamat Miles at sa pamilya mo, sa tiwala, sa binigay mo sa All Access. And excited kami and I'm looking forward sa collaboration natin for in the future, mga projects na gagawin mo, and sana magkatulungan tayo at makatulong kami sa career mo. Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Palakpakan naman po natin si Sir Zozo, di ba? Ang sarap kapag ikaw ay welcome ng ating mga pinakamamahal na mga bosses. Thank you, Sir Zo. Of course, susunod, ito na po, the best director. Ayan na. Our Chief Executive Officer and the President, Direct Mike Tuviera.
Thank you sa inyo lahat. Thank you so much, our press family, for attending today. Alam ko effort every time we have an event, especially in this weather. Maraming salamat sa pagdalo. Of course, our AAA family over there also. Maraming salamat. we make it a point every time we welcome a member to the family, we really make it a point to try to just welcome her in our own special way. Kasi tulad ng itinuro ng tatay ko, AAA is really run like a family. We treat our friends in the press as family, we treat all our talents as family, we treat all our employees as family. That's really, yun lang ang alam namin na paraan kung paano magpatakbo ng kumpanya. Kasi that's the way our chairman and my father taught us. So yun lang yung alam talaga namin. And to really, talagang yung may malasakit at may pag-alaga talaga. That's all we really know what to do. Like Sir Joe said, si Miles has been very close to us, has already been part of our APT family. She was our Pajak princess, very, very proud. And then now, the princess joins the Queens of AAA. So welcome so much, Miles. Thank you so much.
Grabe naman yun. The princess joined the queens. Of course, alam na natin kung sino-sino yung mga queens na yun. At hindi ko na papangalanan. Kilala nyo po at mahal na mahal natin sila. Maraming salamat. Pwede na po tayong maupo. Sir Joe, Direk Mike, and of course, Ate Jackie, and of course, Miles. Mamaya na kita hihingan ng mensahe mo. Alam ko, napakasaya mo ngayon because of this wonderful press con, the welcoming of AAA sa'yo bilang isa sa kanilang mga talents or artists na aalagaan. Pero meron tayong first and exclusive. Ngayon lang po natin ipapakita at ipapasilip ang naging photo shoot and video shoot ni Miles Ocampo under All Access to Artists. Let's all watch this.
Family, and I hope to see you soon.
Congratulations! It's official. You're finally with AAA. Welcome to All Access to Artists. Gusto lang kitang i-congratulate for making this big decision, and I also just want to say that I'm happy for you and I'm excited to see what's ahead of you. Excited ako makita yung mga gagawin mo with AAA, mga projects na gagawin mo. And well, if it isn't too much to ask, sana magka-work po tayo in the future. At sa inyo po talaga ako, no? Sana po mapagbigyan niyo po ako, kami po rin siya, na magkatrabaho po tayo sa isang proyekto. In the future, let's see. Pero for now, I really just want to congratulate you, and well, if there's anything that you need me for, alam mo naman that I'm just a call and a message away. And yun lang, congratulations, and I'm really excited to see what's in store for you. Welcome to AAA!
Welcome to All Access to Artists! I am very delighted to find out that you are now part of the AAA family. So congratulations to you and welcome! Good job ka dyan, you made the right choice. It's a very good decision, hindi mo pagsisisihan niya. I look forward to getting to know you better. Congratulations again and good luck in this new chapter of yours, in this new highlight in your career. May God continue to bless the work of your hands. To bless your art, your craft, your passion, your hosting, your acting, even your health, of course, and your overall career. Congratulations again, Miles. See you around.
Hi, Miles. Dito, gusto na kitang welcome dito sa AAA family. Sana mag-work tayo soon. God bless and see you.
Welcome to AAA family, Ate Miles Ocampo. We're so happy and excited to finally welcome you to our AAA family. Just wishing and praying for more success and blessings on your career. Yes, and we hope to work with you soon, Paul. We miss you. Miss you. See you soon.
Hi, Ate Miles. Welcome to AAA. Sobrang excited ako na maka-work ka. Isa ka sa mga artist na talagang nangyayari pagdating sa arte. Kaya hopefully, magkaroon tayo ng projects together.
Congratulations and welcome to the family. I'm so happy for you and I'm so excited
excited ako lalo sa new chapter mo na to at sa mga upcoming projects mo. Sobrang husay mong artista at host, and I'm just so excited for what's to come for you. Sana makapag-work tayo soon. Congrats ulit! Mwah!
Hey, Annalyn! Nice break! Charis, di ka na nagsabi niya ilipat ka. Kaloka. Good luck and congratulations sa inyong bagong tahanan. Sa aming tahanan na AAA, All Access to Artists, I'm sure alagaan din lugar yung pag-aalaga sa amin. Ay lang, we're very happy na maging pati ka ng aming family. Ayun, chat-chat na lang tayo. Hindi ko alam sabihin ko sa video. Anyways, congratulations. Welcome!
Mag-host talagang 101% po yung binibigay ko kasi di ko alam kung may susunod pa ba magbibigay ng chance sa akin na gano'n. So, naniniwala lang ako doon na gagawin ko lang po. Parang pag sinabi ko mata ka o kanta, tatalonin ko lang po.
Ano yung feeling na kasama mo na si Maria Rivera in Mendoza, diba? Mabonggacious.
Sure na po ba kayo, Direk?
Sure na sure, si Direk Mike at si Ma'am Jackie, Sir Jojo, diba?
Nakaka-excite at nakakatuwa na sila Miss Marian, si Ate Min, si Miss Carla, yung kumbaga mga reyna ng AAA at tinayaan po nila ako maging parte ng kanilang pamilya. So, salamat po.
Congratulations.